Today I show you how you can make a LED strip go under your kitchen cabinets, and most important, to cut it and rearrange it so you have it how you want it, not just one long line where it might not go in the right place. You might not have enough space, 2 meters.
The glue stays on the wrong side.
The glue might not stick very well.
Oh, this is not sticky and this is sticky.
Yeah, eventually also the glue might come off with the wrong side of the tape, but I will show you a trick at the end to fix that. This is where you can cut the LED strips, always at the marking where it shows you the scissors. First you measure 2 times, then you cut it, and here I had one place where I was going to cut, but it was a soldering joint, so I desoldered it and it was fine. I measured it so it's 4 equal strips, LED lights, and one trick I did, I put them in reverse, so it's minus plus plus minus minus plus plus minus. Like this it's easier to wire them. It doesn't really matter, you can put them however you like, but like this you see I put the minus to the edge, and then there is one minus in the middle, and that's all. Plus, for sure this is for the minus. For the plus I have to do the same. I bring the plus on this edge. You see this plus goes here to there. It's a bit maybe I'll show some diagram on the screen, but really you connect all the pluses to all the minuses from the main one to the secondary ones. You can have one wire for each strip, you can have 4 wires there. It's not actually, it's more than 4, would be 8 wires. Like this you only have 3 wires, so maybe try to do it like this. Once I finish with it, is hot melt glue, keeps it all nice and secure. I let the hot melt glue get to room temperature, and that's the plug-in connector. Make sure the adapter for power is powerful enough and the correct voltage for your LED strips. Some LED strips are 12 volts, some are 24 volts. It's very important to check the power watts to be on the adapter, on the power to be higher, at least 20-30% than the LED strip you're using, so you don't overload the power adapter. Cleaning the under the cabinet with any alcohol, denaturated alcohol, and now that they are all connected, these strips, ideally you would have to put them very nicely together, but I even forgot to record this part. Some of them are not very nice there, but the more time you take for it, the better it will look like. And you start it, it's working. One small tip: the tape in these LED strips usually is not very strong and it might come out, especially in under kitchen cabinets if it's vertical like this. So you put tape, scotch tape or packing tape, clear tape, and really put it there and secure the connector in multiple places so it doesn't fall. If it falls, you can put more tape. And okay, the color on this one, it's a bit on the yellow side. It's the temperature. If it's 3000 Kelvin, if it's 4000, it will look a bit yellowish. 3000 and under, it looks like the candlelight. If it's 4000, 5000, 6000, it's already daylight. Yes. Very bright, white, and it might turn even blue sometimes. It might look blue to you. So I prefer this bit 3000. I think this one is 3000 Kelvin, but it's up to you. This is your preference. Thanks for watching.